shone through the silence. The muters, they tried not to make eye contact. You never seen such a beautiful thing except from in movies or up on billboards. You never seen such a beautiful thing in all his years of traveling these trains. Her shiny brown hair was tucked behind her ears, and her big blue eyes pierced right through her glasses. The book she was reading was of an interesting nature. He knew that he would surely like to date her one day. A few more stops to walk on style with sister. A few more stops to walk on style with sister. A few more stops to walk on style with sister. But I wonder what your name is. He was a child of the difficult nature. It was compulsive disorder related. Sometimes he would do silly little things like turn the key in the door 5 times before he went to bed. In the past he got in some silly situations with girls from school making silly accusations. He was through all that and he knew what to do to not get himself into trouble. He wanted to walk past and just ask her name and say she's so pretty, he's been watching her on the train.